Pest management on Philippine farms balances two approaches: natural, low-cost remedies that protect beneficial life, and targeted chemical controls when outbreaks threaten livelihoods. Understanding both options lets farmers choose wisely and safeguard crops, soil, and health. Natural remedies begin with prevention. Healthy soil rich in organic matter supports vigorous plants that resist pests. Adding compost and farmyard manure improves soil structure and encourages earthworms and predatory insects. Crop rotation, planting legumes or root crops in between cereals, disrupts pest life cycles and reduces populations of stem borers and root knot nematodes. Companion planting further harnesses nature's defenses. Marigolds planted alongside tomatoes release substances that repel root nematodes. Basil, interspersed with eggplant, deters aphids and whiteflies. Mint or lemongrass bordering vegetable beds masks scent, confusing flying pests. These simple plant pairings cost little and enrich biodiversity. When pests appear, hands-on monitoring is key. Inspect leaves and stems daily for early signs. Tiny holes on lettuce, curled tips on kale, or sticky honeydew from sap-sucking insects. Gently shake low branches over a white tray to dislodge caterpillars or beetles. Removing a handful of pests by hand prevents larger outbreaks without any sprays. Homemade botanical sprays offer another natural option. A blend of crushed chili peppers, garlic cloves, and a small amount of mild soap in water creates a repellent that disrupts insect feeding. Strain well and mist foliage in the cool morning or evening, avoiding the hottest hours to prevent leaf burn. Neem extracts, made from powdered seed kernels steeped in water, interrupt insect growth and reduce egg laying, yet leave beneficial insects unharmed. Biological controls introduce helpful species. Bacillus thuringiensis, a naturally occurring soil bacterium, targets caterpillars when sprayed onto leaves. After ingestion, it stops larvae from feeding. Ladybugs and lacewings, available through some agricultural cooperatives, devour aphids and scale insects. Releasing these predators into infested areas reestablishes ecological balance. Despite these measures, severe infestations sometimes require chemical intervention. Farmers should select products approved for food crops and follow label instructions precisely. Spot treat only affected areas to limit exposure. For example, spraying a small patch of squash vines infested with red pumpkin beetles is more prudent than blanket coverage across the entire plot. Always wear simple protective gear, long sleeves, trousers, and a brimmed hat, and avoid spraying in strong sun or wind.
Timing of application matters. Applying a contact insecticide when pests are most active, in early morning or late afternoon, maximizes effectiveness while reducing harm to pollinators. Rotating chemicals from different classes prevents pests from developing resistance. Never mix multiple products in a single tank unless the label explicitly allows it.
Chemical controls also include insecticidal soaps and horticultural oils, which smother soft-bodied insects without leaving long-term residues. These options offer a middle ground, more potent than botanical sprays, but gentler than harsher pesticides.
Record every treatment, natural or chemical, in a simple farm diary. Note date, pest type, remedy used, and results observed over the following days. Patterns often emerge. A certain pest recurs after heavy rains or during a specific growth stage. Armed with this knowledge, farmers can fine-tune their strategy each season.
Community cooperation multiplies success. Barangay clusters organize bulk orders of neem seedlings or predatory insect stock, sharing costs and labor. Farmer-to-farmer training sessions demonstrate how to brew botanical teas or build insect monitoring trays from scrap plywood and plastic wrap. Cooperative drying tables and storage bags preserve harvested grain from weevils without fumigants. Natural remedies keep farms ecologically healthy and cost-effective, while judicious chemical use protects urgent yields. By combining soil care, biodiversity, hands-on scouting, and selective sprays, Philippine farmers can manage pests sustainably, preserving their land, livelihoods, and local ecosystems for generations to come.